Hi, this is Mike with Clark County Plumbing. We are at 30 Cascade Avenue in Stevenson, Washington. We just cleared the drain line. It was a soft stoppage, roughly about 27 feet out. There's a fixture cross installed horizontally that's catching debris. So I'm looking at the floor sink right now, side of the fixture cross. Right there is on the back side to the right hand side is the clean out that they installed, and then I'll pull back a little bit so you can see where the blockage happens right here at this connection. We've got the line cleaned out and flushed it out, make sure there's no more debris in the line. There's a little bit of glass you can see coming from the floor sink side.
Is there a screen in there, Doc?
But I will slowly pull back now and complete my inspection. I'm now going to go through the back side of the clean out here, the back side of the fixture cross. Alright, this will complete my inspection. I just want to push downstream enough to make sure that the blockage is all cleared out. There's a little bit of debris on the inside of the line, but nothing major. And I'm going to pull back and that'll complete my inspection.